On September 11, 2001, United Airlines Flight 93, a Boeing 757 traveling from Newark, New Jersey, to San Francisco, crashed into a field near Shanksville, Pennsylvania, killing all 44 people on board, including passengers, crew, and hijackers, and becoming one of the most significant and heroic stories in American history. The crash occurred as part of the coordinated terrorist attacks carried out by Al-Qaeda, in which 4 commercial aircraft were hijacked with the intention of being used as weapons against major U.S. landmarks. Shortly after takeoff, Flight 93 was hijacked by 4 terrorists who forced their way into the cockpit, likely killing or incapacitating the pilots, and redirected the aircraft toward Washington, D.C. Unlike the other hijacked flights, however, passengers aboard Flight 93 learned of the earlier attacks on the World Trade Center and the Pentagon through phone calls to loved ones and airline operators, realizing that their plane was also intended to be used as a weapon, most likely targeting the U.S. Capitol or the White House. Faced with this knowledge, a group of passengers made the extraordinary decision to resist the hijackers, organizing a counterattack using whatever they had available, including food carts, and their own physical strength. As the passengers stormed the cockpit, a violent struggle ensued, which caused the aircraft to roll erratically and descend rapidly. Flight data and cockpit voice recordings later revealed that the hijackers deliberately crashed the plane when they realized they were losing control, forcing it nose down into the ground at high speed to prevent the passengers from regaining control of the aircraft. The impact destroyed the plane completely, leaving a crater and scattering debris, but crucially, it prevented the aircraft from reaching its intended target, potentially saving hundreds or thousands of lives on the ground. In the aftermath, Flight 93 became a powerful symbol of courage and sacrifice, demonstrating how ordinary civilians took decisive action in an unimaginable situation. The U.S. government grounded all commercial flights nationwide for the first time in history, dramatically reshaping aviation security. The attacks, including Flight 93, led to the creation of the Transportation Security Administration, reinforced cockpit doors, expanded passenger screening, and new protocols designed to prevent hijackers from accessing flight controls. Investigations confirmed that the crash was not a mechanical failure but the direct result of terrorism and passenger resistance, and the story of Flight 93 was officially recognized as an act of collective heroism. A national memorial was later built at the crash site in Pennsylvania to honor the passengers and crew, preserving their legacy as individuals who chose to fight back, fully aware of the cost. United Airlines Flight 93 remains one of the most defining moments in U.S. aviation and national history, illustrating how a combination of terrorist intent, passenger awareness, and human bravery altered the course of a tragedy and forever changed global aviation security and public consciousness.